Getting an Amazon Prime Video subscription is easier than you think, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. So imagine having access to thousands of popular music, movies, shows, even exclusive content, all within just a few clicks. But I bet you're wondering, how do I get started? So first, you're going to head over to Amazon's website or app. Now you can sign up for a free trial if you're new to Prime. Second is that if you want to keep using it, you're going to need to choose a membership plan. So don't worry, they offer monthly or yearly options to fit your budget. All right? Now, third thing, once you're signed up, you can download the Amazon Prime Video app on your phone, your tablet, or even your smart TV, and you can even start watching your favorite movies right away. All right. So the fourth thing I want to tell you is explore the huge library of movies and TV shows. You know, from classics to the new releases, there's always something for everybody. You'd be surprised what's in there. Lastly, don't forget about the exclusive shows only available on Amazon Prime, like The Boys or The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. So, take action today. Enjoy these endless entertainment videos, and leave me a like, follow. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.